Alright everyone, welcome to today's episode. We're diving into something really thrilling today. Let's call it facilitating workshops, turning ideas into action. Just imagine walking into a workshop, and instead of a lifeless PowerPoint slide deck, there's this vibrant buzz in the air. People are engaging, ideas are flinging about like confetti, and most importantly, they're leaving with real, actionable takeaways. It's all about planning and structuring workshops effectively.
Ooh, that sounds super cool. I've been to those boring workshops where it just felt like I was watching paint dry. So what's the secret sauce to it then? Like, how do you actually design a workshop that's engaging?
Great question. So, it all starts with setting clear objectives. You need to define what you want to achieve. Think of it like planning a road trip without a destination. You're likely to end up lost and frustrated somewhere. For instance, if you're running a workshop for a team brainstorm, your objective might be to generate 10 actionable ideas for a new project.
Right. So it's like, if I wanted to host a workshop on, planning a big event, I would need clear goals like, say, setting a budget or picking a venue. That makes total sense.
Exactly. You've got it. And once you have those objectives, you design engaging activities that align with them. That's the structure part. Picture hosting a dinner party. You wouldn't serve the main course before the starter, right? It's all about pacing and ensuring everything flows smoothly.
Haha, that's true. So, what kind of activities do you have in mind? Are we talking about group games or, like, icebreakers?
Good point. Yes, absolutely. Icebreakers can be a fantastic way to warm up the group. For instance, an activity where participants pair up and share their most embarrassing work story can really lighten the mood. After all, who doesn't love a hearty laugh? Then, you could smoothly transition into a brainstorming session.
Got it. So it's like building up the energy, right? But how do you ensure that everyone feels included? I mean, sometimes, there's always that one person who dominates the conversation. Ugh, so annoying.
Yes, that's a classic dilemma. To promote collaboration, techniques like breakout groups work wonders. This way, smaller cohorts can discuss ideas more intimately, allowing everyone to contribute. Think of it like a dance floor at a wedding. Not everyone wants the spotlight, so you create smaller groups to bring them in smoothly.
Haha, love that analogy. So it's almost like giving everyone their own space to shine, right? But what if time runs out and you don't achieve everything on your agenda? It's like a race against the clock.
Thankfully, that's where effective time management comes into play. Always be mindful of the clock. Use timers for activities and assign a note taker to jot down key outcomes as you go. For example, if discussions are getting too deep, you can gently steer the conversation back on track by summarizing key points and moving to the next item. It's a bit akin to being a conductor in an orchestra, keeping everything harmonious.
Wow, I love that. Conducting can be tough though. Like, what if people are really resistant to change? I've seen workshop grumps before. They just shut down and won't engage.
Oh, absolutely. That's a genuine challenge. The key is creating a safe environment where everyone feels their voice matters. Start by inviting everyone's opinion up front, making it clear that all ideas are welcome, even the wild ones. You could say, hey, this is a judgment-free space. People are more likely to open up when they know they won't be critiqued.
Such a good tip. So kind of like an idea incubator situation. Do you have any other fun tricks for fostering creativity? I love that concept.
Yes, one exciting technique is the mind map. Imagine spreading a giant piece of paper across the table and letting everyone add their thoughts around a central idea. It visually represents connections and allows participants to literally see their ideas blossom. It's like gardening, where you plant the seeds of creativity and watch them flourish together.
Oh wow, that really sounds like a fab, Mogulem creative exercise. So you ensure that not only do ideas come out, but they also lead somewhere actionable.
Precisely. It's about planting those seeds and then nurturing them into real outcomes. By the end of the workshop, everyone should leave not just with ideas, but also an actionable plan. Just like a recipe that tells you exactly how to whip up your next meal, ensuring no one walks away feeling lost.
I'm all in. Talk about whipping up some great ideas. This is seriously insightful stuff. I can't wait to start planning my own dynamic workshop now.
Absolutely. It's all about crafting a vibrant environment that inspires collaboration and innovation. You're gonna do brilliantly.
Thanks. I have a feeling my next workshop is going to be the talk of the town. I can already see it buzzing with excitement.